Hey everybody, today we're here in, I think we're still in Pigeon Forge.
Or on the edge of it in Sevierville.
Yeah, but we are at the Local Goat, and
It's a great place to eat.
yeah, we've ate here before and we've really enjoyed every time we've ever ate here. And
It's
we're gonna
3
do it
minutes till opening. There's already about 20 cars waiting to get in.
yeah, I took a shot of the parking lot as I took a view of the building, but I'll try to get another shot of the parking lot when we leave.
This parking lot's always full.
Because, yeah, it fills up pretty quick after it opens up.
Everything's made from scratch here. I think we've done a video of the one in Ooltewah, Tennessee, but it's not as good as the original.
Yeah. But anyway, we're about to head in here, and we'll let y'all see what we get for lunch today.
Yeah, we'll see you later. We were just seated at the Local Goat. Thank goodness they put us in the back in a booth. And I had never had a lunch menu. They do. It's the same exact. It's not as big as the original, but the prices are the same. I ordered the hot honey chicken sandwich. She says it's spicy, but she's going to give me some ranch to do. We'll see. What'd you get?
I got the chicken tenders. I've never tried them here on my own. I think I might have ate one of yours or something.
I was supposed to get a burger, but I forgot. Tired.
Okay, well, our food should be here in a minute, and we'll show you what we got. And there's a little, well, I don't know what you call it, little thing here on the table that tells some fun facts about the Local Goat. And it's a small locally owned business right here. But one thing that I thought was really neat, it says everything that you eat here is locally sourced. And they even make their own salad dressings and ketchup and things like that here at the store. So I thought that was pretty interesting. And the quality here from what we've got in the past has always been really good. And I think what we're going to get today will probably be the same. Okay, our food has arrived. As you can see, I do have the chicken tenders there, and fries, and macaroni and cheese. We were actually here with our granddaughters one time making mac and cheese, and we tasted it, and it was really good, so we were going to try it again. And MeLisa, what do you have there?
The hot honey sandwich. Look at that.
That was
Two
a,
chicken breasts on it.
there's two on there?
Either are they butterfly ones?
No, yeah, that's big. Huge.
Oh, so much honey.
Spicy.
Yeah.
I'll give you a second on that.
I wasn't expecting to burn.
All right.
That's why she gave me this.
And
Look, this is the magic of the sandwich. She said it's too hot, dip it in ranch.
Okay, so that is the hot honey chicken.
But it comes with hot mayonnaise, but I asked her regular. I don't want to pile it on a dime.
All right. Well, we're going to try this.
Destinations, which they cut the chicken tenders.
Well, here you are there. Hand bread is here. Let me tear this apart. It's really hot. So, yeah. Bread.
Since you tried the mac and cheese first and let it cool
Yeah,
off.
that's probably
mac
a good
and cheese will
idea.
get cold.
Let me do that.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry we weren't properly prepared.
We? I'm sitting here on the camera.
Once again, I'm being corrected. I was not properly prepared.
We still love you. That mac and cheese, I'm telling you, my
that's what
granddaughter
counts.
got it. And used to can only get it on the kids' meals, but she offered it too. I love penne noodles. It just has a faint taste of cheese. Hold up. Yeah, you're
That's
sharing.
good.
You're sharing. I'll get me a side of it.
What I like is the texture of it. It's got enough firmness where it feels like you're actually eating something.
I know you love those homemade fries, and they make their own ketchup too.
Yeah, they make their own fries here.
You're not gonna try the homemade ketchup too. You already know what. Do they make the honey? I guess they make everything.
They make all their dressings.
So you're gonna have to try that honey mustard.
Man, ketchup good.
Sometimes I like it and sometimes I don't. Because sometimes it's very sweet and sometimes it's bitter. I think it's the tomato, the ripeness of it.
Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking. All right. Hopefully that is cool enough where I can think about it.
Hope it's not hot mustard.
And I'm going to try it.
My tongue is still burning from that hot honey.
Really?
I may not survive.
You'll make it. All right.
As good as what we had last night, my chicken tenders.
Yeah, it's good. Good chicken.
You didn't ask my question. Yes, it's good chicken, but it's as good as last night.
I think it's as good or better than last night.
Is it just more tender?
Yeah, it is more tender than what we got last night. Last night we ate at Timberwood Grill.
Okay, I tried to cut this thing. Look at it. I tried to cut it in half. It fell apart, so I'm just gonna eat with a fork. And I touched my tongue to my finger again with it on it, and it's off. Should I be brave enough to try it without ranch?
I don't know. You might want to use the ranch for that.
I'm gonna try it. No, I'll try it. If you see me going for the water, that flavor is awesome. But the burn, let me have this. It is real.
The burn is real.
Even the pickles, remember, they're like oodles. They're dipped in the jalapeno.
Yeah.
That is so, y'all, I could breathe fire like a dragon right now, but the honey makes it so good. I think dipped in ranch I'll be able to eat it. And of course, these fries, they're not as done as I usually like them, but there's the flavor, they're just so good.
All right. Well, let's enjoy this.
Yes, let's torture ourselves. Which is what it seems like I'm gonna do. Terry wanted me to do an experiment to try it ranch to see if I think he's wanting to try it, but he doesn't want to burn. That's what it is. So I dipped it in the homemade ranch, which everybody knows homemade ranch by now. It's so good. It killed it a little bit. It's still there.
Yeah.
It's not burning my throat or nothing. It's just burning where it touched my lips and tongue. But it's not that bad. The sweetness of the honey is worth the burn. It is very good.
So it's just worth the pain.
I may get this again and put it back. This is really good.
Okay.
I'm impressed. I know he wants to try it, so he's going to see if he can handle the burn.
Yeah, I got a
The
small
flavor
piece.
is worth it. Savor the flavor, not the burn, okay?
All right, if I grab my water, you cut.
No, I'm not like that.
I don't deal well with spicy food. So.
But the sweetness is really good. All you got to do afterwards is take a bite of your macaroni and cheese. The cheese will kill it.
All right, I'm going to try it.
I'm not burning anymore. The sweetness is perfect. Just don't inhale or nothing like I did. It's good, isn't it? What are you thinking?
Yeah, the flavor's really good. But then that little burn kind of gets you. But it's not as bad as I thought I was expecting.
I think when I touched my finger to it, I got one of those red things.
Yeah,
In
might
my
have.
mouth, yeah. Because it's just sriracha honey.
Yeah, the flavor's really good.
It was awesome. Thank you for being brave right now. Get you some drink.
I showed the parking lot when we first got here just before 11 when they opened, and now we're leaving. It's about 12, and as you can see, it has filled in a pretty good bit. And we rode by here last night, and there wasn't a single parking spot in this place. So they really do fill up here pretty quickly. So you might want to get here early if you're coming for lunch. Yeah, we're here on a Thursday, and on the weekends it just gets absolutely packed in here. So I hope you try it sometime because we really enjoy it. And I think you will too. Okay, y'all, we just got through eating at the local goat here, and we're standing outside. It's raining a little bit, not too bad. Yeah, but what did you think?
As good as usual.
Yeah.
Too much food, way too much food.
Yeah, we both left food on our plate. It wasn't that expensive. I think it was $34 and something before the tip.
I put the receipt in the video.
Okay, and anyway, like I say, we've ate here before. We've always enjoyed eating here.
It's filled up.
I have got burgers here before.
Whiskey burger.
Yeah, they have a whiskey burger, bourbon whiskey, I think. But it is really good, and I enjoy getting this really sweet. And I noticed on the way out they had a sign that said USA's best burgers, and I don't know if that's true or not, but the burgers are very good.
The last one I got sure was good.
Yeah,
they
are good burgers, and their fries that they make themselves here, cut them themselves, they're really good.
It's so bright, and your shirt is like, I can't see. It's like my eyes won't open. I'm not standing here asleep. But my chicken sandwich, I couldn't eat about half of it.
Yeah, and I tried it.
That sweetness.
It did have a little kick to it, but it wasn't that bad.
The honey was good on it.
Yeah. But anyway, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully you are a subscriber already, but if not, become a subscriber and hit that like button and the notification bell. You can't forget that. And you got anything else?
Yeah, let's live life
together.
always.
Bye, y'all.